Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your SEO experiments with GrowthBar, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start backing up your SEO experiments with GrowthBar, first, create an account on the GrowthBar website. Enter your email address and a secure password to register your account. Once registered, log in to your new GrowthBar account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you will find various tools for SEO analysis. Begin by navigating to the keyword research section. Enter the keywords you are experimenting with to gather relevant data. Take note of key metrics such as search volume, CPC, and competition score. Next, head over to the content section. Utilize the Content Assistant feature to generate SEO-friendly content ideas based on your keywords. Once you have your content drafts ready, save them within the GrowthBar platform. Now, go to the tracking section to create a new SEO project. Input the URL of the website you want to track. Assign your experiment a descriptive name for easy identification. Add your chosen keywords to the project to monitor their performance over time. Review the data regularly to see how your keywords are ranking in search results. Export the data if needed by navigating to the export options within the tracking section. This ensures you have a backup of your SEO experiments in case you need to reference them later. Make sure to document your strategies and outcomes in a separate note-taking application for future learning. At the end of each experiment, analyze your findings based on the data collected. Use this analysis to refine your future SEO strategies for even better results. Remember, consistent tracking and documentation are essential for successful SEO experiments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.